The best fruits for a pop-up drink stand menu are watermelon, strawberry, mango, pineapple, and lemon because they are sweet, juicy, and blend easily into refreshing drinks that customers crave on a hot day. These fruits work so well because they have a high water content, which means they blend into smooth drinks without needing a ton of added sugar or ice. Watermelon is especially great because it is mostly water, so it stretches further and keeps your costs low while still tasting amazing. Something a lot of people do not know is that overripe fruit, the kind grocery stores usually toss out or discount, is actually sweeter and cheaper, so building a relationship with a local produce stand for their ugly fruit can seriously boost your profit margin. Mango and pineapple bring a tropical flavor that pairs nicely with tangy lemon, giving your menu some contrast instead of everything tasting the same. Lemon is also a secret workhorse because a small splash brightens up almost every other fruit flavor and helps balance out sweetness. Try building your menu around one creamy fruit, one tangy fruit, and one tropical fruit so every customer finds something they like. One common mistake is using fruit that is not fully ripe, which leads to a sour or bland drink, so always taste your fruit before you buy in bulk. Another issue is not accounting for how fast fruit spoils in the heat of a pop-up stand, so keep your fruit prepped in a cooler and only bring out small batches at a time. A lot of stands also forget that some customers cannot have certain fruits due to allergies, so having one fruit-free option, like a plain lemonade, keeps your stand welcoming to everyone. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.